Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you what's in my travel makeup bag. I thought some of you might be interested in this. We recently went to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I thought that I would share what I packed in this Vera Bradley travel makeup case. In the first compartment I have a little baggie of jewelry. Just like 3 pairs of earrings in there. Tissues, a scrunchie, nail clippers, also some more hair ties, some little clips, and there is bobby pins in here as well. Didn't know how I wanted to wear my hair. Second compartment has all of the makeup. A kabuki brush. This could be used for highlighter or blush. And a double-ended brush from Profusion. These are from e.l.f. And that's all. The Press Refresh Setting Spray from SheGlam to set my makeup. LaColors showed off a blush and highlight because you get 3 blush options and a highlight. e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. I love this mascara. The Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. And just simple, minimal kind of makeup. I didn't even pack bronzer because I knew I didn't want to have the bronzer as an extra step. The Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage powder. Love this powder. LaColors Brow Pencil. Profusion Eyeshadow Primer. The LaColors New Glam Lip Gloss. I love this. It's so nice. And the LaColors Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss, which is brand new still. I never even opened it. But this was a backup, and this lip gloss is fantastic. Thought they would pair nice together, but I ended up not using the gloss. As you can see, a bunch of Q-tips in there. Wet n Wild Breakup Eyeliner. This is a no-name kind of nude liner. And it's really nice for the waterline and travel. And 3 little eyeshadow trios that I recently picked up from Shop Miss A from their Southern Charm collection. So we have Sweet Tea, Quaint, and Honeysuckle. Each one is a vibe in its own. And these are gorgeous. They're so easy to use. And I recommend trying these out. They're only $1 on the website. Beautiful. Beautiful. And outside of the Q-tips, that was everything that I packed in my travel makeup bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.